Now, to stop data consumption in your Android phone, the background apps that consume your data most of the time, it's very annoying. Sometimes you maybe buy a specific amount of data and you expect to use it on a few important things, but before you can use it, you realize that it's all gone and you come so much devastated because you don't know how it all happened. So what you're going to do first is find settings within your menu, within your desktop application or the applications in your phone. Press the settings, and then you'll go to the network and internet as in my case I've tapped on network and internet. Then I'll go to data usage. Now when that loads, I have multiple options here to set up my data usage uh, system. So I'll scroll down here, then I have two network providers, that is SIM cards within my phone. So you're going to set up each and every one of them, but you can always set up the one you use for data in most cases. So I'll go to the mobile data usage section, tap on that, then I'll be given the way my device has been using data over the past 30 days. So I'm going to stop the apps that use my background data. So you can see in most of my applications the background data has been restricted. This restricted means that this application cannot access my data within the background, but if I don't turn this off, it will be using my data. So let's say for instance some of the applications whose background data consumptions has not been turned off. Let's choose for example TikTok. If I uh, touch that, I can see that background data has been enabled. So um, when this is on, this application will be using my data even after I have removed it from my screen if I don't clear the background application. So make sure that you do this, you turn it off so that this application only uses data whenever you want it to use your data, when it is in the foreground. So do this for all the applications that you want to be off. I always do it for all of them except for a few, maybe one or two that I choose to leave on. So that's what I do there. Then I'll go back one step and do it for the second network provider that I have. I'll tap mobile data usage and turn off. So in my case I've turned off many of them. I've left my hotspot and tethering on because I use it with my PC for network connection. But if I don't want to use that as well, I can go and turn it off. So I'll do that. I'll say WhatsApp business, do that and say it's already off. My background data is off. So it's upon you to choose whatever you want to do. And then the other thing is you can always set a limit for your Android device data usage. So you tap the settings section there, and then you can see you have three options here. My data warning is being set off on, so I can always choose at what number or after how many megabytes do I want my device to give me a warning on my data usage. So I'll set that up. I'll set a data limit. I turn it on, then I'll be asked, let's see that, I'll be asked, your phone will turn off mobile data once it reaches a limit. So if you set a specific limit that when my data consumes this and this amount of data, it should automatically be turned off, that will happen. So you choose you type your data limit. If I want 30 GB, then I'll set that 30 GB. So you do it for both of your network providers. So as I said at the beginning, don't blame your network provider before setting up all this, because sometimes it might not even be the rate at which their data is being consumed, but it might be the settings on your device, the applications that run on the background and consume your data. So That's what you're supposed to do when you are setting that up.